back to our YouTube channel. I'm Dom.
I'm Tom.
And at this point, I don't even think we have to even introduce what we're doing, but by the title, we are doing yet another Snackcrate unboxing video.
Yeah, so for those of you that are new around here and don't know what Snackcrate is, it's a monthly subscription box, or you could just do what we do and order it whenever you want one. And basically you pick the country that you want the snacks from, or you could have them pick for you, or it could just be a mystery. And you just pay for the box, you get half off your first order, and you can pick sweet, savory, or mix it up. And yeah, so this is now our 5th one, I think.
Yep.
And as you see by the title, it's Russia. So we can't wait to get into this one. Also, if you're new around here, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below. We're just over 160 something subscribers, which is crazy. Thank you guys so much for continuing the show support.
We appreciate it so much.
All right, so let's get into this box. Before we start this video, I just want to say I have a very close friend in Russia. Her name is Sonia. I make music with her. She is awesome. I have learned how to say some Russian words. Basically, all I know off the top of my head is to say, hi, my name is. Alright, so for those of you that are Russian, don't make fun of me, but I'm going to try to say, hi, my name is Tommy in Russian. So it's Privet, меня зовут Tommy. So let me know down in the comments, was that bad, was that good? I learned everything I know from Russia from Sonia, so thank you, Sonia. Let's get into this box.
So when I opened the box, I noticed something that we haven't yet got from any other Snackcrate boxes that we have. So it came with this little like wooden
babushka?
Like,
is that a babushka?
Yeah, like a Russian doll.
Called?
And I think you can like sew it into your clothes, like as a button. Is that correct?
Yeah, look, a babushka doll.
Hey! What does it say?
It says, this month we've included a souvenir button that could be sewn to your clothing or used to make a scrapbook to remind you of your Russian adventure.
Oh, how sweet is that?
That is cool. We haven't got it. We usually get stickers sometimes. So, like I said, for those of you that are new to Snackcrate, this is how your package comes. It comes with like the cheat sheet that you can read to see what you got, what you have. So it's packaged like this. It's got the little babushka doll at the top. And then when you peel back the sticker and open up the snacks, this baby is full this week. And I'm seeing something like weird in here this week. I don't know. If you guys hear any dog whining or anything, my dog Lily loves to pay a visit in all of our videos. As I said her name, her head just like turned. But she loves to pay a visit, so if you guys hear anything like that in the background or she pops in, I'm sorry, she's very needy.
Our house isn't haunted, it's just the dog.
Okay, so Dom's gonna pick the first snack here, and while she's doing that, you can pick a mini, regular, or large box. There's different prices. The one we paid is $13, and we got a drink add-on, like always, for you guys. I just love the drinks. But she's gonna go ahead here and pick the first snack. So what do we got?
Okay, so I'm definitely not going to be able to pronounce this.
So, as I do know how to say some Russian words, I sure as heck cannot read it. So, I'm not going to be able to read this to you. Sonia, you know, I'm sorry. I can't read it. All I know is how to say 3. I know 3 is 3 or something like that. And I know there's David and Jason. I think that's 9 and 10 or something like that.
Alright, so according to our cheat sheet, so let's just look at it. So it looks like it has like a chip. It
looks like almost like Cheez-Its.
Yeah, they look thin.
Like Cheez-Its here in America. So here's the packaging.
Okay, so according to the cheat sheet, it's supposed to be pronounced crusty, ashy kartoffel. And these are the thinnest crisp, often packed, the loudest crunch. This snack is dusted with a creamy and savory cheese flavor. That sounds so good,
They just look like regular They look like regular potato chips.
They do.
They just smell like they've been sitting around for a while. They just look like regular chips.
No, they smell like the kettle chips.
Yeah, they do. Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh. Very cheesy.
Yeah, they are cheesy, but they're like not over cheesy. They're not over the top cheesy.
You don't get it like cheese flavor as soon as you bite into the chip, but it's like you get it as like kind of like an aftertaste.
It's like delayed. They're good though. You want another one?
I'm alright.
Alright, so what are you rating that one?
Probably like a 7. Because I like the flavor, but it was kind of late to the game. And the texture wasn't.
I think I think that's a good number. I think I'm gonna stick with a 7 too, just because like it didn't wow me or didn't blow my mind, but it was good and I could snack on them. Alright, so on to the next snack. I think I'm gonna go with these right here. Alright, so for those of you that have been keeping up with our snack rates, you guys would know that Dom is currently 3 for 4 on gagging on these boxes. There's always one item. We always think it goes really good, but honestly, in these videos, usually it's always around the same point it gets you. It's like the middle towards the end.
Middle towards the end.
It's never the direct end. It's never the beginning. It's always that middle end. There's always like a good one after, but there's always a good one before.
So why are you saying this?
So, looking at this package, this may or may not be the one that does it. I did read a little bit of the cheat sheet. There was some type of like crouton. So these feel like the croutons.
Crouton.
So here's the package right here.
What's it called?
It looks like salami croutons.
Huh?
So you guys know that I find it hilarious when Dom hates these snacks. Last time was the soap gum from Canada. The UK one wasn't really anything bad. The roast chicken got her a little bit. But the beefy from Germany and then that weird random donut cake thing from Korea.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we got these little like salami looking croutons. It actually sounds good to me. But for you, you're already like thinking about this.
Why do they gotta do that with the meat?
Oh boy, I'm getting beefy flashbacks. You wanna take a sniff?
No, they don't smell too bad.
Smell them. Okay. You ready?
Well, I think what's not turning me off is that it's like a crouton.
Yeah, it's not like...
It's not like legit meat and sauce like the other ones.
It could be soaked in it. I gave you a little one.
I'm gonna have my water ready.
Alright, so they're like little croutons.
They're very little.
If you guys can see that.
You know, this is actually smart because, like, when I was little, I always just ate the croutons out of the salad, so...
Yeah, I love croutons.
Yeah, like,
Cheers.
how come America doesn't do this? It literally tastes like a crouton. I don't even taste the salami.
Are you serious? It tastes like...
A little bit, yeah.
It tastes like croutons were left in a salami bag for like a week, and then you ate the crouton, and it just kind of had that taste.
I actually kind of like it.
They are good.
Yeah, they are.
There's a backwards N in here, and I really just... There's like
yeah,
backwards...
let us know how you pronounce backwards N. Like, would you still pronounce it N? I'd probably give that an 8, actually.
I'm giving that like an 8, 8.5. Yeah. I really like those.
I really like those, too. I would legit put this in
I'm
my
not
salad.
used to like croutons being a snack either. I'm used to them like being in your salad.
But it's smart. Like, Americans need to do that because literally, like, my little cousins and me, when I was younger, wouldn't eat the salad, just the croutons. But, like, come on. Like, it needs to be in a bag as a snack.
Yeah.
Thank you, Russia. Thank you for taking the initiative. I'm gonna go with these.
It looks like beefy.
Yeah, but it looks like a fruit.
Like a pancake.
It looks like a pancake with like a strawberry filling. I don't know what to pronounce. Basker wheels?
Basker wheels.
Basker wheels. Oh, yes, they are. Light and fluffy pancake with a surprise raspberry jam seeping out with every bite. That actually sounds amazing.
That sounds for me. Alright, here I am ripping open the package. I accidentally ripped the little pancake on accident.
Is it just one?
Yeah. So it's just a little single pancake. A little single pancake right there. I guess I'll just rip it in half. We might as well both just eat it. Ooh, it's got some raspberry goo inside.
Like jam.
That looks good. I should have got it like ripping it. Sorry. For those of you that love the cinematics. Alright, ready? I'm just gonna eat the whole thing.
I'm not. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah. That slaps.
You know what would be really good if they have a chocolate filling?
No, that raspberry I think is really good. Wow. Wow. That is probably one of my favorite things
10?
I've ever had.
10? Oh, this might be his 10 rating!
It might be a 10. Wow. That is so good. I'm giving that a 10. I'm giving that a 10.
Honestly,
wow. Wow.
And like, for a pancake, it
wow.
wasn't like hard. It was still soft. Ooh, that would be so good if they had chocolate. Like literally, like.
They might. We should look it up because, dude, I will order these. Like, I'm not even kidding you.
Let us know if there's other flavors with the pancake. The Basker wheels.
Basker wheels? Wow, that was good. Alright, next, I'm gonna go with these. I'm definitely saying that wrong.
Crude Fruit Bears.
As I'm getting roasted by everybody on the UK video with the Iron Brew soda. When I was like, IRN Brew, but we don't know. Here you go.
I think they're just gummy bears.
They look like gummy bears. I got a group of them here.
Okay. So
they smell good.
Yeah, they're fruit. So it says the different flavors are passion fruit, raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, pineapple, and apple.
Cheers.
Cheers. I think I have strawberry.
I just put like 5 in my mouth.
Gummy bears.
Gummy bear. They're good. You can see all the different fruits right there on the package.
They have a like weird taste.
Really? They just taste like gummy bears to me. No complaints. They taste like delicious gummy bears that I love.
Yeah,
nothing,
7 or 8.
Nothing to go home and write about, but you know they're good gummy bears. Like, what can I say? It's not like that pancake. Like, that pancake shocked me, man. Like, that was so delicious. Like,
It was.
Even like everything about the pancake. Like, the pancake itself wasn't too hard. It wasn't too mushy for being in a package. And not only I've had worse like pancakes made at like hotels. Like, than that packaged one.
Or like diners.
And then the inside, like the raspberry filling was like so like fresh tasting. It wasn't like
and it wasn't thick.
waxy.
It
wasn't like
yes,
thick. It was fresh tasting raspberry. Like, it was good.
Yes.
That's why I liked it a lot. But go ahead, on to the next one.
All right. So, they look like a hard like
waffle.
Oh no, it's not hard, but it's like a soft waffle. So we have these. The cheat sheet says 2 soft and chewy waffle cookies sandwiched around a layer of thick caramel.
Oh, that sounds good.
Oh, we love the Russia one.
Dude, the Russia one is kicking. We can't talk too soon, though.
I know.
This always happens. Ooh, it's very caramel-y sticky. As you guys can see by mine here, it's got the caramel dripping off the edge. And it's 2, like, wafer waffles with caramel in between. I've never even thought of that. Like, cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. I love the texture. I love the texture of these waffles.
That's delicious. Dude, Russia is killing it. Straight up killing it. We're getting the death stare by my dog.
Out of all the snack crates we gotten, Russia's #1.
Oh, yeah. This is the best box by far we've had. The waffle cookie kind of like contains the caramel to where it doesn't like get in your teeth.
And it like doesn't like spill out. Oh my gosh, are we getting our second 10 of the day?
Dude, no, I'm gonna give it like a 9.5. Just...
Just to make a point.
I'm giving it a 9.5 just because I like the pancake better, if that makes sense. On to the next snack. All right, so I just see her eyes like above the table. All right, so this is our last snack before we have the drink, unfortunately. Yeah, already. I know. Russia flew by because of how good it was.
No.
And it already looks good again.
Yashkino soft waffle. A soft and fluffy home-style waffle. That means it's going to be fluffy. That is literally jam-packed. Enjoy a tart cherry filling in this breakfast favorite.
So we've had a pancake with raspberry, a waffle cookie with caramel, and now a fluffy waffle with cherry.
Is it fluffy?
Look at this.
It's literally a
This
waffle.
was packaged in that. It's literally a waffle.
Is
like,
it
imagine
so soft?
imagine this on the go. Yeah, it's soft. Feel it.
Yeah, there's jam. Let me bite it.
Whoa, whoa! I'm just going straight for the gold. So, as you guys can see, I don't know if you can, I don't want to, like, split it open, but let me just break it in half. Do you want more?
Yeah, because I didn't get really a lot of the tart.
So, boom. So, we got it in half, and there's, like, cherry tart inside. You have the one you bit already. Alright, and I'm going to try it. Wow.
Pretty good.
Wow. That's delicious.
Here, no, here.
That's delicious.
I am impressed.
That is delicious. They didn't play games this week.
I'm giving them 8 because I wish I had just a little bit more tart in it. Some bites were a little bit more dry, but when I did, it was fantastic.
If you guys go on Snackcrate right now and the Russia box pops up, because they
it.
changed the countries like in and out, you need to get it. We have the drink left though, so it's not a perfect box yet.
It's not over till it's over. Here's our finale that we always save for last. Our drink. So I don't really know flavor hint that's on the, it just looks like it's like outside.
Mmm. It looks like it's outside.
Like there's like pine.
What was that smell?
There's like pine.
What was that smell?
It smells naturey.
Naturey?
Like earth. Why does it smell like earth?
Oh, it does. It smells like a tree. It smells like a Christmas tree.
What's a taiga? What's a taiga?
Oh, it smells like a Christmas tree. A taiga? It's a rapper.
I meant T-A-I-G-A. Drink is described as tasting like the journey into the heart of the magical fairy taiga. Is that like a
forest? Oh no, Russia, don't do it!
Yes, in the first half!
Wait, every drink has been good so far, so I was expecting this box to be flawless. Did you just gag? No, like, was that real or fake? Was that real or fake?
I like felt it in the back of my... In my... Oh god.
Smell it one more time.
It smells like...
It smells like a Christmas tree.
Ginger ale, like flavored Christmas.
Like a ginger ale with Christmas flavor.
Alright, here we go.
Go ahead. You first.
Now, you ever like your throat starting to close up now?
You gonna wait till what I drink?
It's not bad, but it's not good.
It's not bad. Yeah, exactly. It's not bad, but it's not good. This tastes like a ginger ale, but like instead of ginger, it's like pine. Like pine needles.
It's like Christmas.
Like pine needles from a tree. If that makes sense. You guys know when you get a fresh Christmas tree in the house and you can smell it, that smell, that's literally what this drink smells like. It tastes like soda with that like aftertaste of the pine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get
not
like
how we've eaten pine, but you know, like when you smell, you can like
well, it's so
taste
strong
it.
you can taste
You can
it.
like smell the taste the smell if that makes sense.
So yeah, I'm gonna give it like a 5. Honestly, it's better than what I thought it was gonna be.
It's
but
just average to me.
It's not good. Like I wouldn't drink this on
No.
my own. Alright, so we hope you did enjoy this Russia box. If you are from Russia, definitely comment down below, you know, how we did with the snacks and how I did with my pronunciations.
Yes, we love to hear your thoughts.
Any information you have on this drink or some of the stuff we have here, definitely let us know. So again, if you did enjoy the video, drop a like down below and subscribe. Let's get to 200 subscribers. We're almost there. We're over
right
halfway there. So we will see you guys again next week.
Thanks, guys.